I like to put stuff online.
You don't know what you got till it's gone. You don't know what you got till it's gone. The Human Condition, that's actually such a relevant, good song because you really don't know what you got till it's gone. It's always things that we look into retrospect when we get into our feelings, even when it comes to relationships, things that we have that we lost that we just never took for granted. So never take life for granted. Never take your loved ones for granted. Never take stocks like this for granted, especially when you have people on this YouTube, me, giving you news, telling you the guys who's sitting in the computer doing all the research is all he's asking you is to subscribe to his YouTube. And if you like the YouTube enough and the plays, come over to the Discord where it's only $10.99 a month. And we have a lot more different play callers. And we have a lot of news. We have a news bot. We have all these different things. Anyways, doesn't matter. Here we go. Well, it does matter, but if you want to make money, it matters. But here, I want to give you a quick overview. I'm going to do it fast because I like to make my own videos only 5 minutes. Blue, EMA 20. You got your blue or white EMA 200. These lines here is my Fibonacci. And then we have the parabolic SAR strategy, that SE and LE. LE is signifying that it's going to have an uptrend, SE downtrend. All right. So here's why I think NVIDIA is going to do very well. So NVIDIA reported strong financial results for the first quarter of the fiscal year of 2026. This is just a projection of revenue reaching $44.1 billion at 69% increase year over year. Despite these private results, NVIDIA's outlook for the second quarter includes an estimated loss of $8 billion in revenue due to export control limitations impacting sales of its China-specific H20 chips. NVIDIA announced a quarterly cash dividend on July 3rd of a penny per share. This is July 3rd, 2025. NVIDIA is actively expanding its AI infrastructure and partnerships, particularly in Europe, focusing on sovereign AI, where countries build their own AI capabilities. They're collaborating with Deutsche Telekom to build Europe's first industrial AI cloud. I like that. Expanding partnerships in Siemens to accelerate AI capabilities in manufacturing. Like that. Partners with more Europe. Guess what? Trump just talked with Europe. They made their first big trade agreement in a very long time, about 2 months ago. That was the big news, right? Well, look who's getting all the benefits right now from Europe is NVIDIA, but through the United States facilitating the deal. That was very nice of them, and it was very good of Europe to recognize how valuable NVIDIA is. Everybody knows how valuable NVIDIA is. But here we go. NVIDIA is also advancing its work in autonomous vehicles and robotics, launching the Drive software program. You guys, robots are the future. I hate to say it, but Elon Musk is saying that he wants a robot in every house. NVIDIA is not going anywhere. This $141 price that we see here, this is going to go to probably, in my opinion, $300 within the next year and a half. Right now, it's kind of in a little bit of a limbo zone, as like they call it. This little limbo you see here, look at this. You see, woo. But look at this. They got their higher highs and higher lows here on this chart. Especially, except right there, it's almost like I'd still say higher highs and higher lows. NVIDIA's trying to go away from China. NVIDIA's pro-America. I like this. I like this company a lot. I'm going to keep giving more due diligence videos on this company. Rock out with this stock here. But not only that, I can't suggest this enough. If you had a crystal ball and I told you, hey, this is what's going to happen in 10 years. This is where the Great Reset, the Green New Deal, all these different New World Order agendas that they're doing is going to focus around these companies. You'd be like, okay, what companies are there? I'm going to invest now because this could go to $1,000, $2,000 a share. Well, you guys, NVIDIA is one of them. NVIDIA is making these chips for all these robotic and AI infrastructure businesses and equipment. They're the forerunners for it. Don't miss out on this and keep watching it. Put it on as a long term. Put $2,000 in it and just hold it for 10 years. Don't even look or think twice about it. It's simple. It doesn't take a rocket scientist like myself to be able to understand this. So, like I said, come over, subscribe to the YouTube, come over to the Discord, check it out. I'll give you some training. I'll show you how to use our news bot. We got news constantly facilitating. We got a good crew. And you don't know what he's got till it's gone. Treat everybody really well. Later.